Employees are the engine of company that keeps a business running excellently. Their engagement and the teamwork shape the company values. Employees bring fresh ideas and new skills that lead to the business success. Employee Appreciation Day is celebrated on the first Friday of the month March. This day is celebrated to recognize the hard work, dedication, and contributions of employees in every organization. This is a day for the employers to express gratitude and acknowledge the efforts of their teams as employees are the backbone of successful business. Do you know why is Employee Appreciation Day so important? If you will appreciate employees' hard work, then it will give motivation and job satisfaction so they can do the job efficiently. A culture of appreciation fosters loyalty, teamwork, and a positive work environment. Employees who feel recognized are more likely to stay and grow within the company. There are different ways you can celebrate Employee Appreciation Day. You can take them for lunch or snacks or coffee break together. You can highlight their outstanding performance with some certificate or small gifts or through emails. Even if you like, you can give a day break or a comfort to show your appreciation. Last but not the least, even you can organize a team outing so you can play different games, team building events, and relaxation sessions for everyone. Now I am going to share some employee appreciation messages so that you can pass to your team. Your hard work and dedication do not go unnoticed. We truly appreciate your contributions and the positive energy you bring to our team and company. Thank you for being an essential part of our success. Happy Employee Appreciation Day, everyone! A simple thank you can make a big difference. Happy Employee Appreciation Day to all the hardworking and dedicated employees out there. Employees like you are the reason for company's success. Thank you for all your dedication and hard work. Great employees do not just work hard, but they inspire everyone to do the same hard work. We are grateful for you. Happy Appreciation Day! Success is not just about leadership, it is about the great people who make things happen every day. Thank you for being one of them. Happy Appreciation Day! Once again, I wish everyone a happy Employee Appreciation Day. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates.